friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I am going to give my reviews on bike seat which I have purchased from CCM. This seat. So right now I have this seat. I will replace this seat with the new seat which is more comfortable. So let's begin. To begin with the procedure, first of all we have to remove this seat from the bike frame, then we can fix the new seat which is over there. So let's begin with the removal of this seat. So you have to loosen up this clamp like this and just lift it up like this, so it will be in your hand. So by losing these two nuts, this one, you can lose any one nut, so it will be loosened, it will come off. So we will replace it with the new one. So let's begin with loosening of this 12 number 2 nuts. So as you can see, it's already loose now. Just remove it like this. As you know friends, most of the riders' body weight rests on the hips, that is on seat. So it's very important to select very comfortable seat which makes your ride very comfortable. So starting with the comparison between these two seats, first of all, the biggest difference between those two seats is the width of these seats. As you know friends, the seat which is on the left side has less width and the seat on the right side has more width. So the seat on the right side has more surface area. More the surface area, more comfortable will be your ride. Second difference between these two seats is the thickness of cushion. As you can see friends, the seat which came with the bike has lesser thickness of cushion, and the seat which I have purchased has bigger cushion. It's approximately 2.5 inch, and in this seat it's approximately 1 inch. So more the cushion thickness, more will be the comfortable. Few interesting features of this seat which I will share with you. Firstly, it has memory foam that provides a soft comfortable ride. Secondly, it has center cutout that provides ergonomic fit. Thirdly, it has built-in elastometers that absorb bumps. Fourthly, it has water resistant vinyl cover that water will not affect the internal things of this seat, so it's weather resistant. Last but not least, it has reflective material that provides safety in low light conditions. As you can see friends, the white strip, it's reflective material, it will guide the vehicle coming at your back. Let's begin with the installation of this seat onto the bike. First of all, install this rod onto the seat. So here we go, seat is installed on the rod. Simply we have to insert this rod on the bike, then we are good to go. Let us begin with the installation of seat to the bike. So this much 1.5 inch I keep it higher. here we go. So seat is installed. As you can see friends, it's very good looking, the shape is also good, and it's very comfortable. So this was all about how I have selected the comfortable seat for my CCM bike. Even though it's very expensive, approximately 50 Canadian dollars, but it's worth. I have tested this seat yesterday. I did approximately 15 kilometers on my bike with this seat, so it was very comfortable. I will give the purchase link in the description. Hope this video will help you out to select better comfortable seat for your bike. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God much bless all.